focus and don't waste time. Leave the beast and the evil.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. It's your girl Trisha. Guys, we're heading to where we're heading, babe.
Some auto show, you know.
We're heading to an auto show. It's the first that we are ever visiting such a thing. So we're gonna see what this auto show is about. I think the kids are going to love it, especially Sweetie Kai. So come along with us, guys. Well, that's the cruise ship, guys, right over there. And we're heading to the auto show, guys. And this is downtown Cayman on the waterfront.
Guys, today we are at the Cayman Auto Show. Come and join us. All right.
The Cayman Auto Show was an opportunity to celebrate the automobile. There was a showcase of vehicles from auto enthusiasts on the island as well as from international guests.
Wave to mommy. Caro, wave to mommy. Caro is like, what am I doing up here?
This charitable event was a part of Cayman Islands Platinum Jubilee celebrations, Sea, Land and Sky Cayman. The Auto Show or Motor Show was a public exhibition of current automobile models, debuts, concept cars or out of production classics. Guys, it was very heartwarming to see the support that this auto show had. A lot of persons came out for this motor show.
Say thank you, police. Aw, you look so cool, Caro.
From monster trucks to very unique vehicles, we saw it all.
Look at the big vans, Caro. Look at the big monster truck. Monster truck, Caro.
The auto show had a wide variety of beautiful cars. There was also a great selection of vintage cars. Guys, the cars that we saw were not only classic but were very unique. From Maserati, Porsche, and Bugatti, we saw a range of many luxurious cars. I think I even found my new dream car. Guys, we really do hope that you enjoyed this video. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. This event was fun as it was unique and entertaining.